importance of regular HVAC maintenance. Regular HVAC maintenance is crucial for ensuring the optimal performance and efficiency of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Not only does it help to extend the lifespan of your HVAC system, but it can also save you money on energy costs and prevent costly repairs down the line. During a routine maintenance check, a professional technician will inspect, clean, and adjust various components of your HVAC system, including the air filter, coils, and ducts. They will also check for any leaks or damage, and make any necessary repairs or replacements. Regular maintenance can also improve the air quality in your home or building by removing contaminants and allergens that can accumulate in the air ducts over time. This can benefit those with allergies or respiratory conditions. To ensure your HVAC system is running at its best, it is recommended to schedule regular maintenance checks at least once a year, ideally before the start of the heating or cooling season. This will help to catch any issues early on and prevent them from becoming bigger problems down the road. In summary, regular HVAC maintenance is essential for ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your system, as well as improving the air quality in your home. By scheduling regular maintenance checks, you can save money on energy costs and prevent costly repairs in the future. Upgrade your home's comfort and efficiency with Alliance Energy Source. Specializing in furnace installation, maintenance, and repair, as well as HVAC installation and maintenance. Trust our team of experts to keep your system running smoothly. With over 23 years of experience, Alliance Energy Source is providing customers with free estimates, best service, and value.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me